teille antanut. Nyt sitten annan sitoutumattomien ryhmän puheenvuoron edustaja Carles Puigdemontille. Teillä on minuutti, olkaa hyvä kollega.
Thank you, Chair. You, Mr. Borrell, should have told Minister Lavrov that he is wrong. That Spain does not have 3 political prisoners, but has 9. That it cannot be compared to Navalny because he has been sentenced to 3 years and a half in prison, and the Catalan leaders have been sentenced from 9 to 13 years in prison for organizing a referendum. We have warned that the double standard applied by the EU undermines its global credibility as a defender of freedoms. There are no humiliating consequences for all. The EU cannot go around the world recommending recipes that does not apply to itself. I want a Europe with a strong voice for human rights and without complexes in front of anyone, not only in front of Russia, not only in front of the United States, China, Morocco or Turkey, but with anyone. You are not that voice, Mr. Borrell. Mr. Borrell, please do a Borrell exit. Thank you very much.